Okay, so I cl- I lost the videos where I closed the crotch seam on this pants. So what I did was let's see if this one goes better. So I closed the seam, the crotch seam, and I did a top stitch. Yeah, so that it's nice and strong and at the front and as well as at the back. But I'm not so sure. Maybe I'll take the one in front out, but the one at the back stays. So it looks nice and strong. And I did a top stitch here just to let the seam lay flat. So the next part now is to now overlock and close the side seams. So with this method, nothing gets put in front or the back. What happens is I'm just going to sew right through around the pocket. We'll see how this part here goes because this is the more difficult part, and then we close the side seams and then turn the pocket, and then we can have a look and see if we're happy with the pocket. So let me start here. Hopefully I don't lose this video or the sound doesn't disappear. So it's now closing the side seams and these two pockets, and then we will have a look and see if there's anything that needs to be done with this. This is a fairly easy method, but I'm not so sure how good it is for these fleece type pants made with fleece. But let us see how it turns out. Maybe we will be happy. You see, look at that, what I did now. I didn't see that pin. So I went straight through the pin with this knife, and that is not a good thing. Let me see if I can take it out here. That's why I never pin, but this time I had no choice. So I want to take this line here is where the top stitching was done. So I want to take the overlocker, that line right there, and then I want to start turning. And we will see now how this works. Let me put this back so that we've got a nice inseam pocket here. Unfortunately, I can't redo this work. So it looks like everything looks fine here. The overlocker went straight to that seam there. So we will see now when we turn it over. I've never used this method, like I said, so I'm not so sure about it. But you know, if you turn it with your hand and you press the pedal, then the overlocker will automatically make the circle for you and turn it for you. But you just have to be very, very careful when you do that. That's my all. Now that sharp pocket, let me take this thing out here. And let us see what is going to happen here now. I'm not so sure. Yeah. Put it in a bit there. Just like that, and then I pull it this way. Okay. You must see, you learn like this. In any case, it's a good way. Just take it slow. You know, if you're a trained tailor and or a seamstress, then I think maybe it will be easier. I never use pins with this machine because Sometimes I've got a heavy foot, and then I'll press it and the pins and everything will go through. You damage the blade. But okay. Luckily, these are industrial machines, so they sort of... So this video is slightly longer than the usual ones. Okay. Okay. There it is. And there it is on that side, so everything looks fine. Let me turn it and then we can see there's the pocket. So we'll see now where we made a mistake, but everything looks fine. The pocket looks flat. Everything looks like it's in seam there, in the seam. So I'm going to do the other side now as well, and then we turn both of them over. Where must I start with this one? At the bottom. Okay, so we'll have a look again and see if we're happy. This method doesn't look like a bad method. It looks like very nice actually. I think you must just get used to doing it. And if there's small things that you don't like, you look like I'm not going to redo it. What in the next one you must just keep a note, and if there's something you don't like, you redo it in your second exercise. But this method looks fine. It looks like a good method for the pockets. It's an easy method in any case. Let us see here quickly. This is now again that sharp corner that we are dealing with here. Okay, let me see here now. Okay. Okay, so let us turn it around and see. Everything looks fine, I think. Turn it around now. And then which one were we busy with? With this one now. Okay, so let us have a look here. So yeah, I think I like this method. This is a nice method. The pocket the front is that side. So the pocket is going to lie nicely flat there. Look how nice this looks like. I'm very happy with this method. It's an easy method to do. I am not going to, what I'm not now, which side it must lie. I am not going to do look at that, how beautiful that is. Perfect. I'm not going to do a stitch there. Normally what you can do is you can do a stitch there on the opening of the pocket. But maybe I will take that decision later. But look how nice and flat it is. I think this looks beautiful. This is perfect. Okay, so the only thing that we need to do now is I'll have a look now. I think now we just need to close the seam and see if of the inside seam of the legs. So we'll have a look at it now. I want to put this thing on the table and make absolutely sure that we are happy, but it looks like we are going to be happy. The entry of the pocket is on that side, so that is fine. And on this side it is the same. So the entry of the pocket is going to be forward, like this, to the front. So I think it turns out lovely. This is a beautiful method of doing this pocket. Look at that. It's totally inseam. And then you can just do a top stitch there if you want to. Beautifully. You can see the top stitch there as well, with the pocket folded over. So very happy. Happy on this side as well. I think this is also looking good. I just want to check here. You see here, I'm not happy. I can see it somewhere from here. This is not right. I'm not happy with this. On this side, you see there, look at that. So that one is nicely inseam, so it runs. But here, we went too deep. So what I'll do is I'm just going to fix it there maybe. I'll think about it first. Everything looks fine, I think, except here. Just here, it's slightly too much in, I think. I wonder why. I'll have a look. But in any case, I think overall this is a beautiful method. Very, very nice method to do the pocket. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to close the inside seams.